Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
I will show you how to make stop-motion videos using iMovie step by step. Start by planning a short storyboard and choosing a consistent scene or surface. Use a tripod, stable table, and a fixed camera height like 5 inches higher. Set your iPhone or camera to airplane mode and lock exposure and focus. Capture 1 frame per movement and aim for 12 frames per second for smooth motion. Transfer photos to your Mac, import into iMovie, and arrange them in sequence quickly. Lighting must be consistent to avoid flicker. Use 2 soft LED lights at 45 degrees. Use a neutral background and tape down props to maintain precise placement between frames. Enable grid lines on your camera to align horizons and keep objects steady. iMovie lacks onion skin, so overlay low opacity photos or use a third-party app. Export at 12 FPS for classic stop motion or 24 FPS for smoother cinematic playback. Trim excess. Import photos into iMovie as a slideshow and set each photo duration to 1/10. Verify timing by playing back and counting seconds. Adjust to reach your target runtime. Add sound effects and music. Reduce music volume by 20% during key action moments. Use title cards and record voiceover inside iMovie for tight narration syncing with visuals. Export as 1080p at 24 FPS for YouTube or 720p at 12 FPS for faster uploads. Save a master file and a compressed MP4 and archive original photos for edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.